going to be spending the next 3 days riding a motorcycle around the Hà Giang province in the northern part of Vietnam. It's supposedly really beautiful. It might rain the whole time. We don't have any rain jackets packed or anything. We just have this one backpack that I'm wearing right now. So we'll see what happens. Let's get to it. So we just finished up day one. We drove for like 2 hours in the dark last night to get to our homestay. Now we're here at Lung Cu Flag Tower, which is the northernmost point of Vietnam. And we have some pretty beautiful views and beautiful drives ahead of us.
So this is Vietnam, and that's China. Started the most beautiful portion of this trip. It's the part between Dong Van and Mio Vac. We just left Dong Van like 5 minutes ago and we can already see the river, which looks really awesome.
You got in that thermos, Cecile?
Some Thai tea that we brought all the way from Thailand.
Wow.
It's still steaming hot thanks to this lovely insulated bottle.
We just pulled over because some of the clouds were moving. We set up a time lapse and fog really rolled in. Like, look at this, you can't even see anything. We're still debating if we're gonna go all the way back to Hà Giang City, like 6 more hours of driving today, or if we're gonna call it early and try and warm up a little bit.